Best book for JEE Preparation. JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. IIT-JEE Preparation. Welcome to Enlighten JEE, your ultimate guide to IIT-JEE success. If you are preparing for IIT-JEE, one of the most important questions is, which are the best books for JEE Main and JEE Advanced? In this video, we will cover the best subject-wise books for physics, chemistry, and mathematics, along with a smart strategy on how to use them effectively to make your IIT dream come true. Best books for physics. Physics is all about concepts plus problem solving. Let's divide it into levels. For beginners and conceptual clarity. NCERT Physics, Class 11 and 12. Best for foundational concepts, covers basics and is important for JEE Main preparation. Concepts of Physics. H.C. Verma, Volume 1 and 2. Authored by former IIT camper Professor H.C. Verma, the books are known for their clear explanations of complex concepts, logical progression, and include high-quality solved examples and problems. For advanced problem solving. Understanding Physics Series. D.C. Pandey, Arahant Publications. Topic-wise books with clear, concise theory and a variety of practice problems for both JEE Main and Advanced. Problems in General Physics. I.E. Irodov. The book is known for its challenging, conceptually deep problems that test a thorough understanding of physics for students aiming at top ranks and advanced level problem solving. Best books for chemistry. Chemistry is often a rank booster. A combination of NCERT textbooks for foundational knowledge and specific reference books for in-depth concepts and problem solving is recommended. Essential textbooks. NCERT Chemistry, Class 11 and 12. These textbooks provide the fundamental concepts and are a must-read for all three sections, especially inorganic. Direct questions come from NCERT. Physical Chemistry. Physical Chemistry by O.P. Tandon. This is a good choice for theoretical understanding of physical chemistry. Numerical Chemistry by P. Bahardu. This book is also excellent for practicing numerical problems and covering almost the entire syllabus. Problems in Physical Chemistry. Narendra Avasthi. This book is highly recommended for its comprehensive set of problems, which helps in practicing the numerical aspects of physical chemistry. Atkins Physical Chemistry. Another well-regarded book for a deeper understanding of the subject, especially for JEE Advanced. Organic Chemistry. Organic Chemistry by O.P. Tandon. A recommended book for comprehensive understanding, that offers a solid text with practice questions for both theory and application. Advanced Problems in Organic Chemistry. M.S. Chauhan. Best for mechanism-based and tricky organic questions, is highly regarded for its challenging and concept-driven problems that are crucial for JEE Advanced preparation. Inorganic Chemistry. Inorganic Chemistry by O.P. Tandon. A strong reference with detailed concept explanations and is beginner-friendly. Wiley's J.D. Lee Concise Inorganic Chemistry for JEE Main and Advanced is the go-to reference for comprehensive, advanced-level inorganic chemistry. Best books for mathematics. Maths requires lots of practice. It is important to begin with standard foundational books before moving to more advanced texts. For basics and conceptual understanding. NCERT Mathematics, Class 11 and 12. This is the mandatory starting point for building fundamental concepts. Objective Mathematics by R.D. Sharma is excellent for strengthening your basics and building problem-solving skills after NCERT. It is highly recommended for understanding concepts up to a moderate difficulty level and is especially useful for JEE Main level preparation. For comprehensive theory and practice. Skills in Mathematics series by Arahant Publications. Authored by S.K. Goyal and Amit M. Ugawal, it consists of multiple subject-specific books that provide comprehensive theory along with a wide range of practice problems. The practice exercises are organized with a progressively increasing level of difficulty, catering to both JEE Main and Advanced aspirants. Sengnage Mathematics by G. Tewani is widely regarded as one of the most comprehensive resources for JEE Advanced preparation. It is a 5-book series covering algebra, calculus, coordinate geometry, trigonometry, vectors, and 3D geometry. For advanced problem solving, Problems Plus in IIT Mathematics by Das Gupta is highly recommended by many toppers. It is renowned for its extensive and challenging problem sets, focusing more on practice than on theory, making it ideal for JEE Advanced aspirants. Problems in Calculus of One Variable. IA Marin. This book is highly recommended for building a strong command over calculus concepts. Higher Algebra. Hall and Knight. A classic reference book, especially useful for students who want a deep, conceptual understanding of algebra. Plane Trigonometry and the Elements of Coordinate Geometry. S.L. Loney. Timeless books to master trigonometry and coordinate geometry with conceptual clarity. Strategy: how to use these books. Start with NCERT to build strong fundamentals. Move to reference books for each subject for detailed understanding. Practice PYQs regularly to understand exam patterns. Don't run after too many books, follow a one book per topic rule and revise multiple times. Remember, books are only effective if you use them consistently. Stay disciplined, solve problems daily, and keep revising. With the right books and the right mindset, and you can definitely achieve your IIT dream. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Enlighten JEE for more insightful content.